In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Death Stranding 2 on the beach error is having. The SDK runtime cannot start because it is missing error that is happening for many users when they're trying to launch the game and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to close the game. Now what you need to do is you have to go over here in the game, right click, go to manage, click on browse local file. Now from here, the first and foremost step, you can see we have something here called install underscore pspc underscore SDK runtime. So you have to right click on this, go for run as administrator and go for yes. Now as you can see, this will be installed over here. Just wait for this. So now once it's successfully done, you have to press any key from the keyboard. Just press it so that it will be closed. Now we just need to go back once again over here. Now we can see we have pspc SDK run install it. So we have to right click and double click on this. So it will be installed like this. Just wait. So once that is done, we have to go over here, find the second one, double click on this. So this will also be installed on a computer like this. And once these are done, what you need to do is you have to close this Now go back, try, launch the game, and you'll not be having this error. And this is what you have to do. That's it. Bye.